All right, so we've made it to the end of the first 6 weeks. So parent functions is the last thing on here. So your unit test is going to be next class period. We won't have synchronous class on Wednesday, and then Friday we will also that'll just be makeup day. So your test is over these things here. So functions and slope, slope-intercept form, standard form, point slope form, function notation, function properties. I accidentally clicked on something. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, so yeah, you have this notes page for function properties, parent functions, I mean. So basically, look at this for all of your answers. I'll go ahead and tell you, we're not going to be using reciprocal. We're not going to be using greatest integer, and then we're not going to be using any of the ones at the bottom here. Okay, so, and then see this equation here, you can kind of group that over here with this one. Put those together. Everything else, I'm pretty sure, well, yeah, I think everything else is on there. Let's not switch that yet. So this is what your assignment looks like. So it gives you functions, you have to identify them. And then later, it gives you pictures, and you have to identify them also. But all that information is right here. It's right here. So on your, I don't think you use this one either. On yours, it'll look a little bit different. So you'll have things that look kind of like this. Hey, another loading screen. We'll get through it. Just have some patience. Some patience, Mr. Ho. Okay, so your stuff will look more like this. So you just compare it to this list. So we have x squared right here. That means this one is quadratic. You have absolute value bars. This one is absolute value. Here you have a square root symbol. So this one is square root. There's not a lot of complex processes to do here. You kind of just look over here. See, like, there's the absolute value bars, there's the square root symbol. This is what the cube root symbol looks like, so you'll run into that. Then this is identifying them. So this one is quadratic. A straight line that's diagonal. So that one's linear. And then the other one look like this. This one is cubic. So that's it. That is how you do these. This is linear, and then this is cubic. So those are just some examples for you. So you just have to identify here, you have the other pictures. Right, so the only number that matters is this exponent right here. The other ones are kind of just there. They don't make a difference. So you have the exponent here. Here you have the square root with a 3 in it. So it's actually a cube root. Yeah, you have these. There's distinguishing features about all of them. Yeah, so you'll find that also in there. That's how these work. Oh, I don't think that's on your sheet, but surely you can figure out what that word means. If not, you can Google it and then you'll surely find the answer right here. That's the only one that has like the name of it inside of it itself. So it's kind of funny. E is just a number here. So just pretend that that's 2.7, 2.7 to the x power. Anyway, I don't really have anything else for you. I'm going to stop this recording.